Welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today's video is all about outdoor dining. Let's get to it. First up, guys, I'm going to start with adjusting the tables. I've had these tables for about 3 or 4 years, and it was always difficult to move the tables around once they were set. So I decided to place wheels on the bottom legs of the tables so that it would be a whole lot easier to move the tables around and get them in different positions. First up, guys, is the jute circular table runner. I absolutely love this table runner. I picked it up at the local home goods store. It is adding texture. It is giving me a different element and a different color. It's bringing in the tan that we're going to add to this tablescape. Then I decided to use these gorgeous ribbed yellow placemats, and I'm going to mix it up and place a silver large charger on the table, and then I'm going to add elements of height. This large candle holder, or the way it was sold as a candle holder, I'm going to use this as an actual vase for the organic floral arrangement that I will be creating for this tablescape. Also, I'm going to add in a stand, and this stand is going to be the centerpiece of the table, and it's going to give another height element to the table as well. Placing the white bowls on top of the table is another element of texture, and then placing some type of arrangement inside of the bowl. Either you can use edible fruit. Right now, today, I'm going to use a faux topiary ball, and it just gives it a different color, bringing in that green, tying that in with the outdoors, again mixing that with a natural jute table runner. All of these elements are natural since we're outdoors, but they also add an element of style. Outdoor dining is all about adding indoor elements to the outside, making your outdoor dining feel as though you're located inside of your home. So I'm going to achieve this look by adding an outdoor wall art feature to the post. I absolutely love this gold basket. This I've had for about 10, maybe 15 years, guys. I just continue to paint it a different color, use it in different areas, but for this particular purpose, we're going to use it outdoor. I'm placing topiary balls, different colors, different sizes inside of it, and then I'm going to hang some green foliage from it. I think it's absolutely amazing the way that it actually turned out. Back to the outdoor tablescape. Right now I'm going to actually start to create the outdoor floral by using these gorgeous yellow stems. I'm going to mix it with a purple stem and then also a large branch just to give it that organic feel and the look. So I place the branch inside, and then I'm going to fill this with sand so to keep everything in position. But right now I'm just I'm just arranging the floral just to my liking, and you guys can do the same thing with any type of floral that you want to utilize. As you can see, I'm taking the sand and I'm filling up the vase. Now this is done for a few functional reasons. One is the sand will keep the floral in place. And the second is because this is an outdoor arrangement, I don't want it to blow away when it gets very windy. And so I'm going to fill it up and make it extremely heavy so that when it gets windy, it will not blow. Adding as much candlelight as possible is necessary for any outdoor dining, because usually you're going to go from brunch to dinner, and the candles on a dining table is absolutely amazing. It just gives a different light, a different glow, and it sets the ambiance. I absolutely love the way this backyard dining table turned out. It looks absolutely amazing with all of the wonderful colors, the yellow, the purple, the branch. And then I just set it up and I had a few extra candle holders, candles inside. I've got faux candles and I have battery operated candles. And then you can just add different elements. I placed bread baskets on the table, and it just gives it a different look as well, and it just adds a lot of warmth to the table. Here's a quick view of the outdoor living space that's adjacent to the outdoor dining. I did create a video that will show you exactly how this outdoor living room was created, and the link will be in the description box and above. At night, this dining space comes alive. It is absolutely gorgeous with the overhead lights that are hanging. These 3 lights that are over the table are from IKEA. I will leave a link in the description as well so you can pick up these lights. I think it's absolutely amazing to have so many different textures, and it just creates the outdoor ambiance that you're desiring. From the candles on the table to the overhead lights, the glim that you get from that onto the yellow flowers and the purple, the large vase with the flickered candles and the mix of colors in terms of the tan and the green, it just creates the perfect tablescape. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more content for fashion, lifestyle, and decor, please go ahead and subscribe. Until the next video, you guys have a great day.